spending Texas. They all be showing affection.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, do yourself a favor, subscribe, hit that bell notification, come join the team because we getting baddies over here. All right, today's video, make her regret losing you. She done left, right? She got up, was like, I'm out of here. I'm on to better things. At least she thought, you know what I'm saying? So she outside, she living her best life, living it up. She might be mingling with other dudes. Probably, definitely. Get that in your head. She already hopping on to the next schlong. She gone, all right? Once you realize that, you need to use that as motivation. Oh, you wanna leave me? All right, bet. Instead of sitting there, being a simp, being a sucker, being beta Billy, trying to beg for her back. No, I swear I could change. I swear I could do this. Anything that you want me to do, I could fix us. This whole situation. Stop it. You look pathetic. She looking at you pathetically. And that's why she left. She was out of there. You know what I'm saying? You're giving off too much just defeatist energy. Is that the word I'm looking for? Like you just look so pathetic. Like you just gave up on yourself. You gave up on being a man. And you just said, you know what? I'm all yours. Just use me, abuse me, walk all over me, treat me disrespectfully. So once she saw that you were not somebody that she could respect, that she can look at as a provider and protector, she had to go away and give her nectar to Hector. You know what I'm saying? But now, she gonna regret it. She gonna regret it and she gonna want you back, man. Why? Because we about to do a makeover. We about to do a manly makeover. You about to become a man again. You about to become whole. Like the version that you were before when you met her. The dude that was confident. The dude that walked into a room and just commanded attention and respect. The dude that she looked at as unattainable. As I need to get him. If I don't get him, I'm losing in life. That's how she was feeling. We need to get you back there, man. We need to get your confidence back. We need to get your swagger back so you can Mac. So what do you need to be doing? You need to be Macking. You need to be out here in these streets. Out here talking about 3-4 bodies a week. You could do that. Got that? There's 7 days in a week. You could get 3 or 4. You know what I'm saying? Work on it. Start low if you have to. It's no judgment zone. We just trying to get you back into the flow, back into the rhythm of, you know what I mean? Mingling. You single, ready to mingle. Yeah, man, you need to get back just interacting, getting that vibe, that carefree vibe. Because when you were in a relationship, it was very much restricted. You felt restricted. You felt like you were on lockdown. You couldn't do too much. You were trying to please her. And she felt that. When she first met you, she was trying to win you over because you had options. You weren't really worried if she hit you up or not. Why? Because Becky with the necky, you know what I'm saying, was ready to go down low, you know what I'm saying? And you wasn't trying to give that up for one. So she had to work extra hard to get into your life until you made her the wifey. But yeah, you got away from that and she got away from you. So we getting that rhythm back. Besides that, start working out, man. Start working. If you don't have a gym membership, you can't afford one right now. Well, for one, you need to get your money up. For two, just do push-ups. Anybody can do a push. You can do a push-up right now. Look, I'm literally making a video. And guess what I'm about to do? A push-up. Look, what's that? Oh God. I'm out of shape. No fun. Yeah, man. You can do a push-up anytime, any place. You can do sit-ups anytime, any place. You can go outside, find a park. Go to a park and do pull-ups. Or get one of those pull-up things for your house and just do the pull-ups at your crib. You don't need a gym, but it would be nice to have one so you can, you know, hit the treadmill, get some cardio in too. If you can't do that, then go for a run down the block, up and down. Figure it out. But get your blood pumping, get some good energy flowing through you, get in shape, start looking better. You start feeling better, you start attracting better, all right? And yeah, now's the time to buckle down. Get to the bag. Get to the bag that you never had. You might have already had a bag. Cool, good. You should have had a bag. So now you know she didn't leave you because you didn't have a bag, but now you about to have a bigger bag. Bigger bag, she gonna be bigger mad, okay? Real sad that she done left you and she messed up. Just use all that focus, all that energy that you got, all that anger, all that sadness, and just put it into making more money, starting your business. That idea that you always had but you couldn't really do because she was holding you back, and she was like, you know what, I want to go here and do this and do that. Well, guess what? It's going to take money to do all this stuff that you want to do, right? So I needed focus. I needed a period of isolation and solitude so I could really lock in. See, you working a job all day, right, bro? So you busy. Only time you have to lock in and build your side hustle is after work. She taking that time away from you. She's trying to stress you out. She's trying to hold you back. Now she can't hold you back. Now you free. Now you out here in these streets. Now you know, meeting baddies. Now you building your business. Now you getting in shape. You looking great. You eating better. What's she gonna do? She gonna continue being out here in these streets trying to be in denial. Meanwhile, whole time she's stalking your Instagram. She's popping up at places you at, trying to see if you still go to the same places, right? But you know, you took a little break because you knew you might run into her. And you're not ready for all that yet because you're still working on yourself. Because when you come back, and she finally does see you, bruh, you're gonna be glowing, dripped out, skin clear, magnetic cologne on, smelling good, feeling yourself. And she gonna wanna be feeling on you. So yeah, man, you gotta really lock in right now. If you want her to regret losing you, whether it's to get her back into your life or it's just to make her feel like, you know what, I messed up, I'm never gonna get it back. And you know, let her come back. Whether it's an egotistical thing that you're doing it for, it doesn't matter the reason. If you want her to regret losing you, you have to be the version that you were when you met her, ×2. Simple. Because right now, she's not attracted to you. She left you, so her attraction is gone. But as time goes by, as you guys know, no contact, the feelings are gonna come back. The positive feelings and positive memories of what you guys were and who you were. So she's going to have that picture in her head, then attraction's gonna slowly build back. Meanwhile, you making a new version of yourself. So once she starts to get that attraction back, she sees that you're doing no contact and you know, really focus on yourself and you're giving her that space that she asked for. And then she sees the new you. Bruh, it's gonna be a long life for her. These dudes ain't like him. Why? She gonna be sad, down bad. Anyways, that is it for the video for today. If you guys like to do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button down below. Also down below, download Winning with Women. Until next time, focus on you, and the women will too.
I know some biddies in Cali, they all be calling me daddy. I know some hoes out in Texas, they all be showing affection.